Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street, when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within. Oh, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. A lie. No, don't wanna live a lie. Live a lie. Ooh, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no.
Hey guys, I hope you liked the workout part of the video. Now let's get to the informative part. So my answer to this question is that there is no perfect workout split or best workout split. Now why am I saying that? What might be good for me might not be good for you. In this video, I would just try to suggest you the best workout splits you could have according to the number of days you're hitting the gym. So people who are hitting the gym 6 days a week, they could follow a workout split जिसमें वो हर मसल ग्रुप को एटलीस्ट 2 बार ट्रेन कर रहे हैं हफ्ते में. It could be a push pull legs workout जिसमें Monday would be a push day, Tuesday would be a pull day and Wednesday would be a leg day, और Thursday, Friday, Saturday repeat होगा and Sunday would be a rest day. It could also be a workout split जो मैं follow कर रहा हूँ इट इज़ समवॉट लाइक मंडे को मैं चेस्ट एंड बैक ट्रेन करता हूँ, ट्यूसडे को मैं शोल्डर एंड आर्म्स ट्रेन करता हूँ एंड वेंसडे को मैं लेग्स ट्रेन करता हूँ. थर्सडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे अगेन इट गेट्स रिपीटेड और संडे को एक रेस्ट डे होता है. So people who can hit the gym 5 days a week, they can follow a split as follows: push, pull, legs, upper, lower. So it works something like this. Monday would be a push day, Tuesday would be a pull day, Wednesday would be a leg day, Thursday would be a rest day, Friday would be upper body training, and Saturday it would be lower body training, and Sunday would be a rest day. So how should your workout split be if you're hitting the gym 3 days a week? You can follow full body workout split. It would work as follows: Monday would be full body workout, Tuesday would be a rest day, Wednesday it would again be a full body workout, Thursday would be a rest day, Friday full body workout, Saturday and Sunday would be a rest day. If you're hitting the gym 4 days a week, how should your workout program look like? I would say upper lower workout split. Monday would be upper body training, Tuesday would be lower body training, Wednesday would be a rest, Thursday would be upper body training again, Friday would be lower body training, and Saturday Sunday would be a rest day. So who can follow a 3-day or a 4-day workout split? Generally अगर हम बात करें, corporate elites and athletes can follow these workout splits. Corporate elites के पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि वो रोज़ जिम आके ट्रेनिंग कर सकें. Also athletes कि अगर हम बात करें, सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ फुटबॉल प्लेयर और अ बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर. अगर वो 2 से 3 घंटे लेट्स से 4 से 5 दिन हफ्ते में ट्रेन करता है अपने स्पोर्ट्स को, और अगर उसे वेट ट्रेनिंग अपने शेड्यूल में डालनी है, ही कांट ट्रेन फॉर लाइक 5 days और 6 days अ वीक, क्योंकि अगर वो वेट ट्रेनिंग भी करेगा और साथ में अपना स्पोर्ट्स भी प्रैक्टिस करेगा, हिज बॉडी वोंट रिकवर. सो वो जनरली एक 3 से 4 डे वर्कआउट स्प्लिट फॉलो करते हैं. So in the end, I would just say choose a workout program that works out best for you. And what would work out best for you is a workout program that you could follow in the long run. क्योंकि अगर तुम सोच रहे हो कि अगर तुम कुछ दिन, कुछ हफ्ते या कुछ महीने वर्कआउट करके छोड़ दोगे तो उसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, keep getting stronger, peace out.